Hello, this is Gabriel Morrison. I'm going to be doing a video for assignment 1, which is removing the power supply, talking about it, and pointing out a resistor capacitor on the motherboard. I'm using my cell phone, so this is going to be kind of difficult, but here we go. This is the computer I got from a coworker who got from another coworker and hasn't been able to use it, so he just gave it to me for video purposing. Here's the hard drive, or not hard drive, power supply. Sorry, been doing a lot of assignments today, so here's all the power cables coming out of it. Just go ahead and I've already taken out 2 of the screws because, like I said, I am using my cell phone to record this. So take out one of the remaining and the second remaining screw. And this one I believe is held in by, I don't know if you can see, yeah, little tab there. So it should tilt out and then just slide right on out. Maybe. Let me see. So I need to take these ribbon cables out of here. So glad these are no longer used. Such a pain. Alright, so you can see it's removed. However, it's connected still to everything. So let's go ahead and remove those. This is your main connector for your power on your motherboard, which should be able to just, yep, pop off right there. So let's see. Yep, P1, main power. Got your standard Molex 4-pin. I believe these put out 12 volts altogether. Let me see if I can get it to, yeah, that's how it focus in. But we have the red one puts out 5 volts. Yeah, I can't read that. Getting old. My eyesight's getting bad. Not even that old. I'm actually surprised to see SATA connectors in here. Did not expect that. And the 4-pin accessories. Actually, I lied. That's your processor power. What is this stuck on? There we go. Alright. So that's the power supply. Again, P1, your main power for your motherboard. Then you have your P2, which is providing power for the CPU. P7, this looks like a fan connector maybe. I don't think this board has any 4-pin fans. It could also be for a floppy drive, which it looks like this computer had at one point. Thought those ears ran off Molex, but I've actually never used a floppy